Hi Decor Stealers, this is Jo from JJ Finds and Designs. I'm doing your daily steal style video today, and I wanted to feature the daily deal. So these three items are your metal candle holders at an awesome price of $24.99. What? That's $8 and some change for each. You can't find that anywhere. So you're getting an awesome deal for $24.99 plus your $5 shipping for these three metal candle holders today. So I want to go over each one. There's three different sizes. Let's see. So the larger one, they are metal and they are distressed and chippy and beautiful and gorgeous. So I love that there's a deep little lip here. Today I'm going to use them on my dining room table that I have set up for spring. And I just can't get rid of this little cute bunny, even though Easter's over. It's totally springish. So, and I'm adding my beautiful peonies until my fresh ones come in the garden. Okay, so today we are going to do some layering here. I mean, there's a lot going on, and I'm gonna take a picture. And my son is Hulk in the background. So if you hear some growling, that's because of him. Anyways. So I'm going to add, all right, Jace, don't be yelling. Don't be screaming too loud, right? I'm doing my video. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, so for the middle size one, I'm gonna use like a larger candle just to give it a little bit of height over here. So I already had some stuff going on my table, my tablescape over here. And I'm doing the middle size version right next to a really large metal. So I like combining metals. So I have more of a shiny silver with your matte white French styled candle holder here. Your larger one I'm gonna put over here, and I'm actually popping this. Okay, so this has a lot going on. Okay, so what I actually did was, these are loose flowers. So I have a cute little basket that I popped this faux rosemary, I think it is, in there. Then I kind of used this little faux bush or whatever plant you want to call it, and I stuck the floral in it so that it kind of was a keeper or a holder for this floral. You're not going to really see the little plant in the background, but I kind of just used it as a holder, and you can't even tell. And then I'm just popping that right onto the candlestick holder. You can use these in so many ways, but I love just using them to give height and just to give it a little more height with a basket instead of just using it for candles. So you can use these for food presentations such as cupcakes, different cookies, different snacks at a birthday party or any kind of party. But for this tablescape, I wanted to put this basket. You could also put a cute little bird on top of it, but I just wanted to give it some super extra height with that little wicker basket next to, again, the other silver candlestick holder. And then I have like this wood base here. It's just a round wood base. And then I have another candlestick over here. And then I have some glass, you know, like it's just all combining together. And then of course I'm gonna use the baby with a small LED candle light. I like using, we don't really burn candles in our house anymore. So if I do have a pillar candle and it's a lightable candle or a flammable candle, I don't burn it. I just use it for decor. I always burn the actual, oh boy, this is crazy. Okay. Anyways, guys, come say hi, Jace, because they want to see Hulk on the video. Come here. Oh my God, this is what I deal with. This is what I deal with.